Shraddha's strengths empathy, and I really needed help personally for a problem that I've been dealing with for very long. So I came, but I did not expect so much. Matlab, I expected so little, and I got triple, quadruple ocean I got when I expected just a little drop. This pranic healing is magical, it's miraculous. मतलब believe ही नहीं होता है कि how can it be so simple and so powerful at the same time. It's mind blowing, and I feel like how allopathy is so famous and so many people benefit from allopathy. Pranic healing is even more beneficial, and it has no side effects. Like allopathy has side effects, but pranic healing has no side effects. It's only beneficial, and it's magical. The more people know about it, the better. And in 2 days, how much you can learn is just unbelievable.